If you like animals, and you like coloring, you'll love this beautiful Budgie coloring page. In my book, 100 Animals with Geometric Shapes, I've created a Budgie coloring page for you. I've drawn the Budgie outline, and included its basic features. The Budgie features are filled with geometric shapes to create a beautiful animal. All you need to do, is fill the Budgie, with your own colors. Here's how I colored the Budgie. Click the video link to find out more about the coloring book, 100 Animals with Geometric Shapes.